I didn't realize my countdown was up. I was reading. No, I got sound on TikTok. Guys, I got sound on TikTok. I usually play an intro, and my intro cannot play on TikTok because of the way it's set up. But but I am here. I am here. I am here. But no, I didn't realize my countdown was up. I forgot to put it on my other one on my laptop so I can see it. So yeah, but I'm here. What's up, Rosendo? And what's up, E Sarigos on TikTok? What's up, man? Okay, but let me see. Music, come on. Oh, it was my volume, idiot. I was like, my music's not playing, but it was literally the volume was all the way down. I was reading Urban Trades calls. What's up, Urban Trades? Are you in here already? All right. Yeah, guys, if somebody, John, if somebody has questions about options, I mean, I'm not the expert either, but let us know and we can help you guys out. You don't trade with Webull? No, I do not. I trade on Thinkorswim. I want 6 out of ATXI. Are you already in it on that one, Zach? Wait, you want $6 out of this thing? Oh yeah, it's at 5. This one just hit 10.9 the other day. Is this the one that was kind of recent? Nope. Do you trade supply and demand? I mean supports, yeah, but not like there's kind of different ways to trade those, I think. Yeah, this ATXI went all the way back down, but never held the 200 moving average. So let's see if this one does turn around and finally squeeze people. 200 moving average sitting at 712. So I want to see if we get 712. I want 712 out of this one. Starting to get cold over here down here in Texas. It's like during the day it's hot, but mornings and night it's starting to get a little cold. Your voice is too low. Can you not hear me? You probably need a little more than 150, but you could start trading with fake money while you learn it, and then build some capital so you're ready when you're trading with the real money. Good morning, all these other people. What's up, Seth, Zach, Merc, Zach, Ape Trades, Rosendo? I said good morning to you. Good morning to my people on YouTube. Do I recommend using Robinhood to start out? No, I do not. Robinhood is good for options and stuff, but Robinhood is not gonna be a CryptoWire is back. Robinhood's not gonna be a broker that you're gonna be able to trade like us every single day, in and out of positions. Andres holding FFIE. Good morning, Andres. Good morning, CryptoWire. Webull is better than Robinhood. Yeah, and Webull is gonna have that platform to allow you to day trade every day. I don't even know what the gappers are. Hold on. ATXI is one. ILAG is another one. ILA is another one. It's gonna be a little confusing. ILAG and ILA. And then AQST. Okay, so I got those, but I think we got continuation on some of these. Let me look at some of these. EQ is a gapper. Watch for me. Let me see EQ. This one's not bad either. So 285 high, 200 moving average at $3 pretty much. After that, we got resistance of 309, and then another one there at 320. So I like this one. I like EQ, Rosenda. I like what you're thinking. I like what you're thinking. I don't even know what Equilium is. We just need a little bit more volume and get over VWAP on that one. ILAG, let's see what ILAG is going to do today. 2.9 high on ILAG. Pre-market high. Let me delete some of these previous ones we had. After 2.09, we got somewhere between 320, 336. We got an obvious one at 3.7. And then one at 440. So I'll leave those there. Can you hear me on TikTok better now? My voice is not too low. Jesse, what's up, Jesse? What are you looking at the market today? ATXI. So ATXI looks like it tried pushing the 200 moving average once and twice and failed and went all the way back down to the lows down here, 3 something. But today it's popping back up again. So I want to see if ILAG can continue trying to break that 200 moving average. Oh wait, do they have a stock split today? No, they already had a stock split. And let's see if this one we can get back up to that 713. That is the 200 moving average on that one. Yeah, I think everything's gonna bounce up today too. I think SPY's gonna have a little bounce. I think Tesla's gonna have a little bounce, but I don't expect it to last. I really don't expect it to last. But we'll see. Maybe this is a bottom. I don't know, you know. So I'm gonna watch ILAG here. Wow, ILAG just spiked up to that pre-market high there. What do y'all think of ILAG after? Oh no, ATXI. Sorry, ATXI just popped up to. I kept saying ILAG this whole time. I was talking about ATXI. Sorry guys. ATXI 584 double top now. Nice ATXI, yeah. So ATXI, what do you guys think after this $6 break though? I'm looking at 680-ish, which is pre-market, kind of open high yesterday, and then after that I'm looking at that 712 is where the 200 moving average is on that one. Good morning, Rome on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Lang, there you go, Lang. What's up? Welcome back. Well, actually, were you here yesterday, Lang? Yesterday was an iffy day, guys. I was having headaches. I don't think I did a recap. I don't remember anything about yesterday. Oh, Lang is in a pre-market trade. There we go. Good morning, Omar on YouTube. ILAG and ILA are failing. So ILA has a high of 148. Obviously, we're looking for that and break of 150 on ILA. Let me see, 150 there. Next resistance on that one would be $2, and then after that 250. But it is failing, so not that interested on that one right now. But we'll just let it do what it wants to do and keep it on the side and watch it. Have alerts on it over VWAP just in case it squeezes out of nowhere, which I really don't think so. But ATXI $16. AQSD, this is another one. Let me mark resistances. I've noticed that a lot of the ones that don't seem like they're gonna do anything end up squeezing a little bit and getting a couple of moves. So like, for example, this one right here that you're like, oh, this one's being down. For some reason, sellers are focused on the main gapper and leave this ones alone, and then these start kind of slowly creeping up. I'm not saying this is gonna do anything, but looking at a high of 150, after that 16, 17, 177. Buenos días, Alberto. Good morning, Tirsene Rida. Good morning, Blair. Good morning, Marsa. Get these shorts out of here. Anything else besides ATXI? Honestly, not that I looked at anything that looked good. EQ is not bad. This is another one. Rosendo called this one out. It's not bad. It's holding up a little bit, but I really don't like that chart that much. I got my eye on SPY as well today. See how it does. See if we can even find some trades there. Let me see though. Let me go back over all of these. I got 4 minutes till market open. There's John. Good morning, John. Good morning, man. Tirsine Rita. So how does pre-market work again? I know you can't fulfill orders from 9:25 to 9:30, right? You can fill orders whenever you want. Wait, 9:25 to 9:30. Are you thinking 8:25 to 8:30 my time? You can fill any orders anytime. You just have to use the right kind of order and the right kind of. I've never heard that. I don't think that's a. I think as. Oh yeah. But if you put a limit order and you put extended on Thinkorswim, it'll fill you. You do have to put limit order and extend it though, but you shouldn't have. It should fill you. What's up, Eric's Moto on TikTok? Every day here. What's up? I like it. Okay, let me look through some of the stocks from yesterday just to see if anything is moving. ALLK was from yesterday. What is LALK doing? Pulled back a lot, but kind of up here-ish. We got 2 minutes until market open, so ALLK, just put an alert up here. Ape, no. MLCO, this was one from yesterday with the big float, but this one also held a move, so we'll see if we get a second leg today. CCCL, no. RDHL, no. EVTL. Just readjusting that. LVTX. LVTX held sideways as well. Keep an eye on that one. Pulse, no. FFIE was the other one that we wanted to look at. That's right. I think Andres is on this one. Andres, did you get back in on this one, or did you hold from yesterday? I'm gonna put FFIE on my last side chart spot. FFIE is holding. So I want to see if FFIE gets another leg today. A new high. We'll see. Learn the trade. Thinkorswim opens at 7 a.m. I had orders go past my limit order and sells and buys without filling until 7 a.m. You're going to hold some of these into open. Nothing else is moving. Oh, there's Noe Knox calling out FFIE. How have you done each chart screen, Juan? Looks like changing ticker and one changes for all at the same time. Yeah, you have to link the charts. If you link the charts, whatever is linked together, um, whatever you link together, why are there so few people on such useful broadcasts? Hey, that's what I wonder. Moriend 022. That's what I wonder, man. EQ, want to break it down? EQ looks good. I'll keep an eye on EQ. Break up 2 and then back up to 285. Um, who asked me a question? Urban's about to make some money at the open. Urban is getting ready to sell. Oh, we're right here. 10 seconds. Alright, let's look at ATXI. ATXI looking for $6. Okay, so market is open. KPRX shot up an alert already. KPRX, I don't know what that is. That's a stock split though. He keeps screwing if he want. What is that? Alright, so market is live. No trades. Letting this first minute, second minute of open settle in. Want to see if we can get a trade on ATXI. It'll pull up a little bit. It'll pull up a little bit. SPY enough for him to get out. I think it's still higher than what it closed yesterday, so that's a good thing. What do you guys think of ATXI down to VWAP? Catch a little bit of a dip here and see if we get the anticipation back up to $6. Educativo, what's up, man? Honestly, I kind of like ATXI down here, VWAP. Somebody's calling out EQ. I have EQ trying to reclaim VWAP. I see it. I'm watching volume on ATXI. It's always hard in the first minutes because you always see the big volume come in these first minutes. So you still want to see it hold up even though it's still a lot of volume. Yeah, EQ's the one that's going, Rosendo. EQ's the one that's trying to get going. Watching ATXI right now and EQ. You can tell ATXI wants that $6 break. SOXL. Ape Trades is calling SOXL. Ooh, pricey stock. Dang, SOXL has highs from yesterday too. Nice, Urban Trades, nice. FFI completely dumped. SPY is turning around. Urban Trades, did you close one and leave one for break even? EQ could not hold VWAP. volume here on ATXI. Even though we're moving up, volume is going down, so I don't like that. Yeah, that's okay. I would be happy with that profit too. I'd be happy with that profit too. Let me check. So FFIE is completely dropping, so I'm gonna put SOXL here. You finding any trades on SOXL? Ape trades looking for yesterday's highs. Yesterday's highs was 1036. Sniper trades back with us. ATXI looking for a quick $6. Be careful with this one though. Oh wow, it just spiked a little bit there. So it got $6, but didn't break $6. There's a break of 6, but no trades for me yet. I do see SOXL possibly wanting to set up a 5-minute flag. Both Lang and Zach now unloading their position. They took the trade from over here. Good job, guys. This is the one that I'm looking at, 7712, because I think 7712 is the third time we'll hit the 200 moving average. And this is not looking weak at all. This is looking strong so far. Honestly, I want to see if we retest $6 and keep running. Well, what do you think of SOXL? Ape trades pulling pretty nice. You're looking at 1011. So ATXI is on main watch right now. No trace for me yet. ATXI would look for a nice pullback down to 6. Now it's going to struggle a little bit at 650. No trades for me. I think I've been hesitating a lot, but in this market, sometimes that's a good thing. You know, I'm not jumping into every trade. I also don't know why I have this 678. I'm looking at $7 after this on ATXI. Wow, that pivot there on SOXL, that 1-minute flag completely turned around Ape trades. Dang. Now EQ is going for it. EQ. Come on, I want ATXI to pull back for us. Anyone watching GTII? I had not. Let me see. Oh, GTII. Look at this pullback on GTII. Who's calling that? Rafiki? The only problem with this one is I just looked at it, so I don't know if people are actually buying this stock. You know, I want to see the volume come in on this stock. See, that right there is a perfect dip, but I don't know that there's a lot of people watching this to buy it right there. SOXL is the one I missed. ATXI, all I'm looking for is for this 5-minute candles to close high, not get stuff like ALLK yesterday, close high, and then give the 5-minute pullback. Educativo, you were trying to call GTII? If you did, I'm sorry if I missed it, man. Oh, I see Rafiki's comment right above you, so. Okay, ATXI, did we get the pullback? I missed a lot of comments, so I'm sorry if I missed yours. So I want to see ATXI back down to 6 or back down to 5, like 590s, 580s. But we need to close this candle here. I want this 5-minute candle to close here. Good morning, John, on YouTube. There we go. Now I'm looking for the pullback on this one. Come on, give us a pullback, give us a pullback, give us a pullback. I want to add. That's not what I wanted it to do again. That is not what I wanted this thing to do. Shoot, I'll take it though. Sometimes you get mad when the stock doesn't pull back enough. 6.5 break, retest 6.5 up to $7 hopefully. Dang it, I was about to add on that pullback. Look at this low volume pullback here again though. Ten seconds left on this candle. Looking for this rip this last 5 seconds. I want to see this thing pull away all the way to 7. Nope, no ripping yet. So I'm gonna kind of. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Rip, take out as this stock rips up. There's a move up to 7. There we go. In a halt? Are we in a halt? Who's in a halt with me? Let's go, team! Let's go, team! Stuck in a halt, bro. With 200 shares. Not a lot. But honestly, I wanted this thing. I only added small share size through there, and I wanted this thing to pull back down to 6. I wanted small share size, add, boom. But this thing just was not dipping. At least I'm happy I got a piece of it, though. So put alert there. Put alert here. And who is in this halt with me? Is anybody in this halt with me? Lazy Trader 580. You got in 585 and you're still in? Dude, some of you guys have incredible hands. It's ridiculous. How much of a win was that? I am currently up $560 on it right now. But if this thing opens anywhere up to 750 on 200 shares, that'll be an extra maybe $150 or something like that. Oh wait. Maybe another $100. But up almost 600 on it right now. Platano. Platano is in it. Ape Trade's $300 winner. Nice, Ape Trades. Anybody on YouTube in on this one? Wait, I thought I turned. Hey, people on YouTube. Oh, wait. What is happening? People on YouTube, are you guys getting ads right now? Sorry, I don't. I'm trying to test this whole thing, and I don't know if. I think I accidentally blocked you. I didn't mean to add ads right there. Sorry. So I think if I click it, it inserts an ad. But okay, YouTube people, you didn't get any ads for a 5-second ad at the beginning. No big deal. It's okay. We can share the profits. Oh, now I get this. That's not me for sure. These people with the sex chats. That's not me. Hold on. This resume is halted at 42.31, so 42 to 46. SOXL is still pulling back here. What do you like about this one, Ape Trades? Okay, my YouTube people. I had a Durex ad. My YouTube people. I'm not gonna put any ads. I turned monetization on because I finally got the thing approved. But I just let me know if you guys get any more ads because I think it does it if I click on it. Like I literally have to physically put insert ad and then it puts the ad for you guys. But if I don't click that, I wonder if it puts ads or not. So just let me know if you guys get any more ads for the rest of the day. There's like 90 of you guys over there, so I want that chat to keep chatting, chatting, and chatting, chat. No, no, I'm not gonna put you guys through another ad right now. I'll do it later, maybe once I'm almost done streaming or something. SOXL, what do you think down here? Ape Trades or whoever was looking at this one. Look at this volume dying on SOXL. But you know what? I think ATXI is going to resume. 42 to 47. Yeah, here in 20 seconds. Put an ad now. No, hold on. Let me let me wait until this plays over because this is about to go. So this is about to resume here, I think in 5, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Now, resumed. Watch for the next leg up. Sell a little bit there. Half of that. There's the spike. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have to sell. What'd I say? An extra $100? There it is. An extra $100. Exactly an extra $100. Actually, it was an extra $90. SOXL though. Son of a biscuit eater, man. Look at this. Ape Trays, look at this. Right here, I said it. I was like, I want to take that trade right there, but I gotta go look at my other one. Blair took it though. Blair took it. There you go, Blair. We miss one play, we get the next one, right, Blair? But now ATXI, oh my gosh! Imagine if I was in full share size. I only look at this. I only traded 2,000 shares on this thing. Is anybody still in? Zach, if you're still in this play right now, dude, I'm literally going to fly out to where you live again, and I'm gonna slap you upside the skull, bro. Lazy Trader is still in? Ape Trades, did you add more profit, or are you're still sitting at 300? Because that is awesome still. Platano is up 2,600 on it. Bro, Lang was in here too. Lang, where you at, Lang? Lang, I need to see you, Lang. I need to see you. Where you at? Did you get fully out, Lang, or you have tiny runners? Lang had paper hands. Dang, now he's calling you out. Who's gonna short ATXI and where? Not yet, not yet. Make live on Twitch. I'm live on YouTube, Dennis. I'm live on YouTube. Lang's got paper hands. Marsa, did you get a piece of this? John, did you get a piece of this? I think John was in here too. Who else? Who else? This is why I say you guys need to comment more so I know who's here and I can call you guys out. But dang, that was a nice little rip there. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube, Dennis. My YouTube should be in the TikTok bio link, and then you can watch me over there. So it looks like, honestly, ATXI took all the Zach said I did small size since I missed my ad spot, so $50 profit. Dude, that's still a great trade, man. $2.50, $2.50 a share. Hey, Dennis! Everybody on YouTube, welcome Dennis on YouTube. Everybody on YouTube, welcome Dennis. He just joined. Just joined. What's up, Trendline Trev? Seth, any more in ATXI? Bro, I have no idea, man. I'm fully out. Let me look at just looking at my 5-minute charts. EQ, no. SOXL, Blair took that trade. It allowed you to get into a green trade, put a break even. So that should have been a green trade for you, Blair. Hopefully you made money on that, and then you always stop out going against you. Looking back at other things, not that one. I just looked at EQ, AQST, okay. Isla didn't hold VWAP. ATXI flying. So ATXI looks like it's taking all the momentum, literally. So we'll see what happens here, resumption. But this thing is now very overextended and risky. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, good job, Zach. Good job, Zach. Blair got out some profit out of that one. Good job. I got a study halt and what's looking good. ATXI, you're chasing at this point. The move happened. Correct. Let's set it up and be cautious of the movement dying and it reversing. Kajula, y'all killed it. Thanks, man. Lang, you're correct. No FOMO, no FOMO. Blair has terrible FOMO. Blair, that's okay, man. Does anyone trust the daily on ATXI for a short off the trend line near 200 moving average? That's what I'm looking at. Look at my daily right here. That's exactly why it halted right there. You guys, I think you guys can barely see the end of it. Yeah, right here. This is what you're saying, right? Trendline Trev? Trendline Trev with the trend lines. But this halted at 47.57, so almost 48. So it's about, yep, live right now. Be careful with this thing, guys. It might just dump right here. Or it might just rip into another halt. Nope, fake halt. Fake halt. Anybody on TikTok day trading today and caught a move on ATXI or no? Is anybody on TikTok trading ATXI today? The flag, this one right here? That's the one I jumped in, but I wanted a bigger pullback, Ape Trades. Remember you told me the other day, just add small size and then wait for that pullback again and then add bigger instead of stopping out. And I wanted to do that. Here's some of the shorts. Yeah, if I was short up here-ish, I mean, you're up $3-4 a share on this stock just today in 20 minutes. They might be starting to scale into a short. Yeah, Blair, I understand that. That's why I mean, I took a small share size and still made 650 on it. Oh my gosh, this thing is ripping. You're a newbie trader, Dennis? Hey, you're in the right place, man. Let me know if you need any help with anything. ATX high of 885, more like 995, more like $10. Holy crap. I don't know how you can tell or not. I don't know. I don't even know how you could tell if you're in the program or not, because even being in the program, I tried shorting a bunch of hard to borrow stocks, and I wasn't able to short them either. Like it just didn't let me. So I don't know if they messed it up or the legit doesn't do any difference to it. You need a visa to move from TikTok to YouTube. You got one? I use a 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, and daily. Zach, how are you still in this play? I have no idea, CryptoWire. CryptoWire is asking if anybody can short on Thinkorswim on the stock and how much the fee is going to be. Oh my god, Lazy Trader is still in it. John took a quick scalp there. What coin are you trading? We know I'm not trading coins. I'm trading the stock market. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm pretty sure Zach and I'm pretty sure Lazy Trader are both in this for like $4 a share. Gosh dang, dude. Address calling out FFIE. I honestly took FFIE off my chart. Okay, nice turnaround on FFIE. Nan, $9 is a stop for Zach. Awesome, awesome. It's been over 180 before. Let me look at the daily, see if I see anything else because, well, for one, that pivot's gonna hold from previous highs. That 885-ish. That's what I think Trendline Trev was calling out, or somebody was calling out. EQ trying to make a move back up. Man, and I knew this thing had. Early this morning I said this thing spiked up over the 200 moving average twice and couldn't hold it. But I was like, this thing is gonna want that 200 moving average again for the third time, and sure enough, came up for the third time and squeezed them out of here. Man, that is crazy. Okay, yeah, I expect to almost touch $10. I think, yeah, I have no idea anymore, bro. I have no idea what this is gonna do. No big sellers till 10, 10, 8K there. On ATXI, I would think the next resistance just got here. What are we trading? What are we trading? The parabolic stock this morning. Halted at 55.09, so this should be unhalting at 60.09, so which is in less than a minute. I'm still keeping an eye on everything else. I don't see anything but EQ. And let me look at EQ real quick, because the last time EQ was pushing back up, it was on light volume. So I'm a little cautious on that one. ATXI, I took a trade here. Let me see. Tamimi saying 8,700 now at $10. 957, 73 gone. Seems it was spoofing. How are you able to see that? Because my level 2 is frozen when it's halted. Oh, GTII. You're right. GTII could be an option. Let me move it over here now since this stock is not doing anything. GTII. Nice engulfing green candle and then 2 pulling back right now. This should be live here in 10 seconds. That's if it's a 5-minute halt. Honestly, I wouldn't even be surprised if this thing halted for another 5 minutes. Just to kind of prevent another... Oh, never mind. Oh, that is nasty. I would sell. So it looks like probably some of you guys got stopped out there. But man, you still guys made a very nice move. So congrats. Instant resumption there. Instant selling. Zach, you got out of there? I don't trade crypto. I only trade stocks. How do you know it's going to skyrocket like that? Sure, I didn't know that. I use Thinkorswim. Okay, Zach is out. Who else was in it? Lazy Trader. Lazy Trader, did you get out? Oh, please tell me Lazy Trader got out. Please tell me Lazy Trader got out. Hassan. So EQ just ripped. EQ trying to rip. Oh, a nasty flush on EQ. Yeah, something about EQ, the way it was trading this morning, it was a little iffy. But GTII, let me look at GTII now, because this one, nice engulfing green on the 5 minutes. How do you know what stocks to trade and which will fluctuate throughout the day? Dang, Hassan didn't get out. It's alright, just probably, I would think, just get out on the next resumption. Hopefully it doesn't do anything, like, gap down like crazy, but... we use scanners, so we look for the stocks that are gapping up, that already have enough volume and momentum on the day, that are up a certain percentage, and we just keep an eye on those for a continuation. There's a lot that goes into it, but I'm not going to get into the whole big deal of float and price and gap percentage or anything like that. We just look at the stocks that are going up in the morning and then continue the move up. So, for example, the one that we traded today, you can see I'm trading it here, but in the morning it was already up from here. So it looks like SPY's taking a dump. Good job, Urban Trades, for taking all your money out earlier. Good job on... Okay, let me see. Alright guys, I'm sorry, but my YouTube people, no ads yet? You guys haven't had any ads? Because I'm about to click it and see if you guys get an ad. No ads. Alright, clicking in 3, 2, 1. Alberto Gomez. I'm trying something. I'm not going to do it for good. Okay, yeah, y'all had on. Man, SPY is dumping again. It's like every time you see green on SPY now, every time you see a small little push up, just short it. Oh, no, no ads, you say, okay. Okay, so it looks like I have to click it manually to start an ad. Well, I don't know that I like doing that, but Blair's gonna call her for the rest of the day. Awesome. Oh, Urban Trades took some puts at the top. Ismael, how do I get that extra space added after the candles? Very easy. Hey, good job, Larry. Good job. Call it a day, man. If you guys feeling frustrated, FOMO, or anything like that, walk away with a break even, walk away with a green day, but do not blow up and cause a big red day or something like that. You know. INM slow volume. Oh, Samuel, let me answer your question. INM sniper trades. By the way, I really appreciate you saying that, man. I really appreciate you saying a lot of the questions they're answering. They cover in my course, and that's true. There's a whole section in my course on how to find the gappers and what to look for. Ismail, so go to chart settings. Go to time axis. Yeah, I think that's exactly what happened. Ape trades. So Ismail on YouTube, go to settings, go to time axis, and then bars to the right. Here, put a big number. I have 1,000. That just basically means you get 1,000 bars to the right. So technically I could go as far right as 1,000, but now I can drag it around anywhere. Urban Trade, $600 on the day, and I have to step away before doing something stupid. $600 on the day, man, that's crazy. Even with all these actions, I was only able to capture 641, 666 for 450 profits. Some missed opportunities and just being slow today mentally. That's okay, Snapper Trades. That's okay. Back from vacation, sometimes you feel like you're back new in the market, and that's happened to me before. After 3-day weekends, Monday sometimes feels slow. I feel off, but you know, that's part of the game. But I am kind of wondering why just SPY is just dumping and dumping and ugh. Check INM. I'm looking at INM right now. Juan, a lot of us are consistently making money now, and the slowest month of the year. Feels great to see everyone winning. Man, I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's just awesome, guys. It's just awesome. A lot of you guys have really either clicked something or figured stuff out, and that's awesome, guys. Check beat from yesterday. And if you're not at that point yet, guys, hopefully you're learning at least. September by far is the slowest month the market always has. September is, and look at us, still making money. Being conservative all week, last week, this week, until we found a play like ATXI, and boom, there's our money. Best chat in the world. Appreciate it, Urban Trades. Everybody, little emojis on Ape Trades message and on Urban Trades. The room is great with a lot of solid traders with different styles. I like it. ATHX, shut up and alert. Look at ATXH. Yeah, I'm really am happy and glad that a lot of you guys are in this group chat, guys. Everybody that comes here every single day, I am glad that you guys are part of the team. I really appreciate it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Except this stupid sex chat that keeps happening on YouTube. My bad. Oh, somebody just Rome C also called out ATXH. What's the app name? Thinkorswim. I've been everywhere. Here's the most transparent chat room of all. Really feels good to have found a good group to share trading with. Awesome, Lucativo. Awesome, awesome. Man, it does suck for ATXI though. It's still halted down. And we're growing. We're slowly growing. I think my YouTube people, even though some of you guys don't chat that much, I mean, I was averaging 40, 50 viewers. Now I'm up to 80, almost 90. So I appreciate all of you guys over there too. I mean, everywhere. TikTok. I started with Eric Smoto was my only viewer, right? Eric, are you still in here, Eric? I can see Eric still in here. And now up to a little bit over 12. I think I was almost up to 30 earlier. Appreciate it, guys. You just want to get your 50 shares long, you right? And Hassan, we got to get Hassan. Oh, right, the lightning's in here. Actually, I just sent a message on the other chat. Let me look at it again. Oh man, that was crazy. That was crazy. Dude, YouTube, TikTok, Tradecaster, you everywhere. I am, man. Oh, ATXI resumed. Is this a low volume pullback? Is this a flag right here? Look at this volume. Is this a flag? No, I'm kidding. This might have a little bounce. It looks like it wants to hold at $8 right there, but if you're in from $5, $6, this might be the place to lock it up, honestly. iLag is actually trying to recover VWAP. GTII is so slow. It's holding VWAP this whole time. Hey Seth, take it slow, man. Take it slow. If you want to find trades right now and you don't want to lose your money, try paper trading. You know, trade your real account, make $1, lose $2 or something like that, and then what's it called? And then use paper money. You can trade paper money. There's nothing wrong with that. It looks like a flag to me. Platano. You got to trade on which one was it? INM. INM. Lazy traders out of it. Good job, man. Good job. That still had to be a good trade for you. Seth, just trying to be consistent. It's going to take some time, man. It's going to take some time. Oh, appreciate all of you guys on TikTok answering some questions for me. Oh, honestly, ATXI is holding right there. I don't know why. Beat coming back up. Let me look at it. Beat and then ATHX also. They kind of look similar, honestly. Kind of on a nice little rally. ATHX and Beat, both of them hanging out here. And then iLag, just kind of possible trades out here. iLag kind of reclaiming VWAP, is trending over the ADMA right now on the 5. So let's see if this opens up a little more, gives a pullback, something like that. GTII, I think I just saw somebody was in it, but it's moving pretty slow. It's just moving pretty slow, so I'd be careful there. ATXI had a low volume pullback on that haul down. This could consolidate and retest. iLag 253 could set up 253. Honestly, ATXI right there, this is nobody's selling here. I would not be after this. Look at this. Volume is dying. It is after a haul down, so it makes it a little sketchy, but look at this volume here. And then it's still a flag. Look at that flag. But, you know, that's a risky play. Or this might be one of those that now after it holds this flag, it tries to push up, and then the shorts then really attack it and flushes down on you pretty hard. So I'd be careful. I'd be careful. Zach grabbed some ILAG and VWAP. ILAG now it's opening up a little bit. ILAG today high was 2.9. Right, they're lighting. I'm here while I'm not talking because prepping for the hurricane here in Tampa. Dang, man. You be careful. Careful, careful, careful. Rambling fool. I'm looking at chart and listening to you. Awesome, awesome. Hello, bro. What's up, Fit Choi? ILAG wants this little pop here. I'm waiting to see if ILAG holds this pop, if we close a nice 5-minute candle, and then watch the pullback on this one. So here's a new 5-minute candle on ILAG. There is kind of a pivot there at 253, the one that Ape Trades is calling. I'd be getting the F out of Tampa if I was him. I do look at the level 2 sometimes, yes. So ILAG, kind of big rejection. I mean, if I'm to take a trade here, I would try to snipe as close as bottom as I can to VWAP right now. Why? Just because that 5-minute candle closed there. Pretty good volume, right? Pretty good volume on that 5-minute candle stick. Now I want to see the little volume pull back maybe down to 250, 249. And if I got that, I would probably take a small fill down there. Yeah, I do look at level 2 sometimes. I don't look at it on every trade, but I do every once in a while take a look at it. Looking at like 249, 250 on ILAG. See if we get a little kind of nasty flush down there. Can get a trade and then see what happens. GTII is the only one that I'm looking at, but that's the one with low volume, so I'll be careful on that one. ATXI kind of flushing. EQ had a nasty flush off 252-ish. So I like starting to go now, so if it pulls back, I'm not interested on it. I was interested on the pullback first, not the attempt to keep going, fail, and then pull back. GTII is an OTC. I don't know, how do you tell? Oh, Beat also, I forgot about Beat actually. Beat has another daily high of 3.1, and it's looking for $3 right now, so Beat actually might be pretty good too. Let me actually replace EQ with Beat over here. Beat 3.1 high yesterday at the close. That's possible, that's possible. Beat, and then the other one was ATHX. Let's see if that one's still looking good. ATHX. ATHX. I already had one candle pull down. See Andres, awesome, awesome, awesome. Watching LVTX as it approaches the support level of 440 as well. LVTX, I have not seen that one today. LVTX, 440. Oh, the double bottom on the daily. But that stock is a little shorted right now, just because of the big move yesterday. And as we look at the 200 moving average to go on a move higher, there probably shorts are looking at 200 moving average on the way down. So if it breaks that 440, this one can easily go down to 385, 380s. Watch ILAG here. Back down to VWAP would be the trade. Urban Trades is heading out of here. Beat looks nice for Ape Trades. Let me look at Beat again. And Beat's got that high from yesterday, so something about Beat today is looking good. Beat pivot here for Mursa. Mursa, are you in here? Good job, Sam Snead. Good job. 1% a day is awesome. Educativo calling out STNE as well. STNE, wow. STNE actually looks pretty good. So we got a couple stocks now. We got a couple stocks. Beat got a little bit beat right there. I would have want that thing to pull back down. I would have wanted this one to pull down and kind of bounce and create a hammer candle on that 5 minutes. ATXI just ripping up now. Wow, ATXI just halted on the way up. Oh, not halted. Sniper Trades took a trade on Beat at 274. Okay. iLag is still looking good to here. If iLag keeps pulling back down to that 250, 249, maybe take a trade on this low volume pullback and see if the stock wants to rip up again. I hesitated on that pullback there on iLag. ATHX also flagged in a little bit. Let me look at, is ATXI halted again? Wow, this thing halted again, man. Let's get 40 likes on this video. Awesome, Rodrigo. Everybody on YouTube, like, comment on the video to promote it to more people. I appreciate it. Thanks, Rodrigo. Thank you, thank you, thank you. iLag was looking nice. iLag, that little bit of a pullback there. I almost took a trade there. Ape Trades lost 50 on Beat. Beat is still holding up, though. Sniper Trades took a trade on this one, and now we're looking for the downtrend break. And if Beat keeps staying this strong, I want to see if Beat recovers back up to yesterday's highs at 331. STNE Educativo called it out. This could have been a nice little flag here. 1 minute flag. Looking for a new high of day. And then this one has a 10-3 high from a couple days ago. And then ATHX kind of pulling down to VWAP. What's up, Believe in Yourself? I'm switching through a lot of stocks and I'm calling them out as I switch through them, so. So yeah, Sniper Trades took that B trade and he's still in it, so he should be in profit. And he's looking for that 3. GTII flushed, low volume stock, was not doing anything today. And then iLag, I missed my trade on that one. Oh my gosh. Zach, did you took that iLag trade, right? On iLag, I was saying 250, 249. It literally dropped down to 251 and turned around. Oh my gosh. This website is Thinkorswim. 248 is your average. Oh, you were in earlier. Sniper trades, okay. I like it. I like it. Honestly, I don't know what ATXI is going to do now. ATXI halted up again. I don't know if this thing is going to go halt up, hold 9, and break a new high of day up to $10. I don't know. It's at that 885, which is a previous daily resistance, so it's going to have some resistance there. But it's holding. On trades, when is ATXI resuming? Halted at 22.12, so it'll be 5 minutes ahead of that. So 27.12. I don't even know how many likes I'm getting on the video. Oh, I do see it. 21 likes. I'm halfway there, guys. Come on. Everybody on YouTube, like the video. Give me up to 40 likes. Like Rodrigo said. 40 likes on the video. iLag, very nice ads down there. Very nice ads. There we go. I got a couple likes there. Got a couple likes. Not there, not quite there to 40 yet. Where did you jump in on STNE, Educativo? This flag, or were you in earlier? Mersa, like awesome, Mersa, appreciate it, man. Am I following Ross's strategy? I follow my own strategy. No, I haven't really bought that many breakouts like he does. $9.50. That's a nice trade there, Educativo. Educativo, do you keep changing your freaking? Do you keep changing your logo on your chat? Sniper trades still holding beats probably. Still holding beat there. Volume is dying. You want beat to kind of get going here. And iLag was the one I missed. I was looking at it down there. I wanted it down there, and unfortunately it didn't get it. ATXI resumed. Looking for a new high of day on ATXI. This is going to squeeze up to 10. Wow. If this candle closes really high, I'm going to take a quick small scalp for a break of $10. Scratch trade there. Oh, now it goes. Oh my god, that's exactly the move I was looking for right there. Dang it. Oh, dang it. That's exactly the move I was looking for. Just through 10. That was exactly the move I was looking for right there. Through $10. Dang it. Coots got that scalp on ATXI. Good job, man. I saw this thing trying to hover over 958. I didn't get to close above 958, or I would have played a little more aggressively for the break of 10. But that was probably the last play on ATXI. That break of 10 right there was what it wanted to do. Break of 10, got it, and then double top that top tweezer top. So at that point, it's like, you know what, this isn't gonna hold. So if you guys on TikTok, I see a couple of you guys saying you're ready to learn. You can come in here. I stream completely free, and you can learn on your own. But if you guys really want to learn and take this seriously, um, I suggest you guys look into my course. You guys can take a look into my course in the link in the bio. And you literally have everything you need from a complete beginner, like what platform you need, what brokers you need, like what type of account do you need, and then it literally goes into basics of how to buy, how to sell, what even is a candle, time frame, stocks, orders, and then finally towards the end of the course you get strategies and what to look for, how to find the stocks, how to trade them, how to manage your trades, all that stuff. So if you guys really want to learn, if you guys are curious to learn about day trading, you guys can send me a DM. Join my Discord and send me a DM there, because I get a lot of DMs on TikTok, but I can't DM you back unless I'm following you, and I'm not going to start following everybody that DMs me. So if you guys have any questions, or even on YouTube or Tradecaster about my course, just send me a DM on my Instagram or on my Discord. So my Discord link is on TikTok bio as well. Type it in the general chat and say, "Hey Juan, DM me," so you know you're not messing with another scammer, because there could be a lot of Juan trades on there. Yeah, yeah, Sam's need. You called it out right here. This right here, and we were looking at it too, but no way I was gonna take a trade there again. I mean, I guess I could have, honestly. That was a nice setup there. Did you get some of it yourself, Sam Snead? There you go, John. It scalped it again too. Seth holding some 14% puts. Nice. So, guys, if anybody on TikTok is interested on my course, you guys let me know, and I'll give you guys a big discount as well. I like hold. I like is holding this whole time. You got in on the downtrend break on ATXI? Oh yeah. I honestly didn't even see that. Good job, Sam Snead. You coming in here and showing us up? 30% now. Good job. People, YouTube on people. I'm 8 likes away from 40. Come on. Give me to 40 likes. 40 likes on YouTube. 40 likes on YouTube. It is completely free. I don't charge you guys for anything. All I ask for is likes, comments, supports, recap video views, anything. I'm interested in Discord. Is it in your bio? Yes, it is, Keys. Keys, it's in my bio. Awesome. Educativo, are you still holding STNE? Looking for high day still? Beat looks like Sniper Trades is still in Beat also. Beat is just holding. And then ATHX also kind of holding VWAP, consolidating the whole time down there. What's up? Yeah, anytime, Keys. If you have any questions, let me know. Nevitz, good morning, man. So ATXI is still kind of up here. You're still holding 40%. Yeah, you're right, Keys. ILAG is the one that I'd. No, it wasn't an ad. It's my computer. I think it's like a Malwarebytes thing or something. Yeah, Nevis, what you need help with, man? Let me know. What do you guys need help with? I mean, I might as well import my trades. Let me see. Well, I only traded one stock. I was up 640 on it, and then I took a small scalp looking for the break of 10, which it was the right idea. It was the right trade, but I think I lost on it. Lost $10 on it, so up $640 today. Sorry, I was looking at my stats. I don't know if I'm how many stock. Where do you look to find stocks? I have a what's the purple line? Purple line's VWAP. Junior Garcia, yo, good morning, amigos. Boring day on the large cap so far. Well, SPY kind of dumped and then kind of recovered it all, going back up to VWAP. I wonder if that's a re-entry short for the next leg down, or if is SPY really gonna bottom out and have another day or two rally and then completely dump. I don't know. It held yesterday's high. SPY 370 yesterday, kind of spiked up to 370.60 today, 370.40, and then gave it all out completely. But we had one good play, Junior. ATXI this morning. Look at this stock. Went from 560 all the way up to $10. 100%. 100% market open from pre-market's up 166%. Is there a pattern for all of this? What do you mean a pattern? There's a bunch of patterns in trading. So how do I find stocks? I use my scanners every morning. I pay for it, but if you watch over on YouTube or Tradecaster, you actually see my scanners on screen. Um, and I'm talking about different stocks. I mean, I'm watching 5, 6 stocks a day. And Beat and ILAC, but both look like they want to dump. ILAC looked like it wanted to go. ILAC VWAP again, and it just rallies. Beat, on the other hand, that one is a little bit iffy to me, just because you want the low volume pullbacks on the low volume on the pullbacks, right? Like this is good. You want that low volume pullback, but then this is like trying to push up on low volume still. ILAC looks a little bit different. ILAC on the push up, you got this volume here, and then on all of this pullback, you got the decrease of volume, and then finally touches view up and rips. ATXI, are you kidding me? Okay, somebody wasn't joking when they said it used to be at $180 before. Coots, what was your entry, man? What was your entry? 3 likes away from 40 likes on YouTube. 3 more likes, guys. 3 more likes. If you haven't liked the video, go ahead and like the video on the live stream on YouTube. You got in a break of 970. Nice. Dang, ATXI ripping to another high. Should have 40K. 41 likes. We made it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody in YouTube. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes. Thanks for you guys watching here. Might just go hit a bull while this chop clears. Shoot, ATXI. If you could read ATXI, man, you would be killing it. Who taught you? Myself. I pretty much self-taught myself. Never bought a course, never had a mentor, just watched the markets myself. Would it be different options when you choose employment status on the website? I don't know what you're asking. Educativo. Do Trace Live shows his P&L and stats, helps people. Come on. By the way, I am monetized on YouTube, guys, so I've never asked for any money or I've never charged any of you guys for anything unless you got my course. But I think you guys can donate to the YouTube channel now. I have like the little super thanks or support creator thing on YouTube if you guys want to do that. Buy my food. Just kidding, you guys don't have to. Somebody said something earlier that it had hit something pretty high. No, it has. It's hit 185. Just look at the daily and super long time ago. It's hit 185. The name of this app is Thinkorswim and EMAs is the 9 and the 20. 185 was a high on this stock. But that was a while ago. But damn, this stock. Actually, you know what it was, Zach? It wasn't $9. Well, I guess it was. It was that previous high of day 885 on the daily, dude. That was the trade to take. SPRO reclaiming. Oh, I see it. I honestly want to see what ATXI does because right now it hasn't hit a new high of day. Actually, I just realized, why isn't it actually reading a new high of day? Oh, it's 10.9 is the new high of day. We hit 10.9 a couple days ago, no wonder. Man, this thing wants 10.9. What time it halted at 38, so plus 5, 43. So this thing has a minute left. If this thing resumes here and doesn't break that 10.9, I did not know that. I did not know it had a previous high. I was wondering why it wasn't marking a high on my 5 minutes. So if this thing resumes anywhere under 10.9, I might be looking for a next trade up to 10.911. We didn't even break this previous high here of 10.50. So this stock should be live here in again 20 seconds now. I'll donate when I'm making more money than you. All right, let me help you out. Full mentorship with you. We're going all in. Can I do a video tutorial on everything step by step on what? Not for free. That's what my course is for. This should be live here. Oh, nasty resumption. How did that resume lower? You know, I haven't seen Yofi Young in a while. Break of 51 though. Yep, it wants 10.9. Well, took another scalp there, added another $60, $70 just for the break of 10.9. $11 break. Got that break there. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but I mean, if you guys want to learn everything about day trading, YouTube has it all, but you're gonna have to dig through videos and find who's legit and who's not. If you want everything in one place from complete beginner to my strategies now and everything you need to know to get you started, my course has everything. And I mean, with the discount, $300 for all of what you get is awesome. Sam Sneed, what you got? ATX dump on, consolidate, and move up to new high. Wow, yeah. This stock is finally we get some momentum on a nice stock. And it's holding 10 right now. Kind of want to catch a quick fudge just so I can get over $700 profit like that. 705. Hello from Vancouver, Canada. What's up, man? Yeah, and guys, if you're in my course, I literally don't give you the course. I'm not like anybody out there. You guys see me. I mean, I'm showing you guys every single thing I do online. My trades, my P&L. You're watching me trade live, right? I'm not somebody that's out here literally scamming people. So, if you're in my course, it's not like I give you the course and say, all right, go figure it out. No, I mean, if you got questions, I'll help you out. If you still don't understand something, I'll help you out. So I added a little bit more profit. Now I'm up to $700 on the day. $705 working well. I'm up 14%. Yeah, that was a nice trade there. And you're being patient with it also. John switched to short on iLag. CryptoWire 600 paper money. Awesome, CryptoWire. Can I pay as we go? What do you mean? No, if you get the course as a one-time payment and then you got the course for unlimited amount, um, and then unlimited amount to use me. I mean, for any help. You're having trouble starting. Any tips? Starting as in like check VXX. Yeah, this is the. Yeah, good job, man. This is still dropping, and look at the daily on this thing. This got room down. It's got room down. Good job. Good job. ATXI, man. ATXI doesn't quit. Oh, let me open my YouTube chat again because I got a little distracted. Did you learn all of that on your own or somebody helped you? I learned it on my own. Juan isn't holding out on information. He explained his trades very well. I was and am lost, but I'm slowly picking up the ideas. Awesome, man. Awesome. No, I kind of learned it on my own, but I mean, I watched traders before, and I would watch them all, and there's not one person I could say that's exactly who I traded off of because that's not it. Just being patient and trying to find the right opportunity and not falling for FOMO. Still holding beat would stop at 264. Beat almost dropped down, but recovered it pretty well. Yeah, if you're trading forex, it's completely different. But TD Ameritrade, TD Ameritrade is a broker I use. Thinkorswim. Nevitz, can we pay as we go? It's a one-time payment, like I said. I think I was explaining to you when I got distracted. You only pay for the course once, and then any help you need after that, I'm always here to help you. And also, you get the course. And I'm gonna keep adding stuff to the course, and you won't have to pay for those extra videos. I'm gonna keep adding and stuff. Beat actually had a very nice pullback to that pivot there. Tesla testing. I've seen those pictures of the Grim Reaper or whatever it is, and like everything is down, and then the last things was Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. Like these things don't pull back. Actually, Tesla pulled back the last couple of days, but Scalper, day trader, yeah. I mean, I'm in and out in some trades in a couple seconds. Some of the trades I was in a little bit longer, like this first ATXI trade. Got in here and held it for 1, 2, 3 to that candle there, sold there, missed that one, dang. And then here, traded again through this move here, and then here. What will it cost for you to do one for me? One what? I have a course out already, Nevitz. I don't know what you're asking. I have a course that teaches everything you need. What makes my course better than others? I don't know how. I don't know if other courses are legit or not in the first place. Honestly, um, I mean, there's people out there that I know sell courses, and I myself have never seen those guys trade live. I've never seen those guys make or be legit consistent in the market. Not that I'm saying because you guys see me trade my course is good. I mean, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying my course is legit everything that I know that will get you started. It's not guaranteed for you to make money, but it's a guaranteed, hey, this is all you need to learn. This is all that I learned, and this is all that I apply in the markets every single day. Because he is trading live and being consistent. I mean, you guys literally watch me trade live every single day, and honestly, it's not hard. I mean, it's not easy to do this. It's not easy to trade live. For one, it's not easy to be consistent in the market, and two, it's not easy to be consistent in the market while trading live. So I'm sorry, but I give myself a lot of props for doing this. It took me a little bit to get used to. It wasn't. It wasn't. TXI again, man. Good response. I mean, that's honestly what it comes to. They were talking a lot about scammers earlier and how this industry is full of them. And that is why I do this live streams for free. If you trust somebody that's doing live streams for free and trading in front of your eyes for the last 7, 8 months and has proved consistency and money, why would you buy a course from a guy showing you a Lamborghini and not showing you a real trade as opposed to a guy trading live completely? What's the name of the volume indicator? It's just a volume indicator from Thinkorswim. There's a couple settings you gotta do to color code it the way I have it and to make it its own little graph. The app is Thinkorswim, guys. I just made a TikTok yesterday. How long did it take me to be Juan? Do you have a YouTube video to set up my? Yes, I do learn to trade. Yes, I do. Just go to my YouTube channel, and then on my YouTube channel you can search on the right side, and I think it's like my TOS setup, my Thinkorswim setup, or something like that, and I show you guys how to set it up like me. For real, Juan Trades, give yourself all the props in the world. People want easy. Trading is years of learning, like anything. You're right, Crypto. How have you been, Crypto? What have you been up to, CryptoWire? No more wedding events you've had to go for. What's going on in your life? How's your team doing? Shows my new shoes. You guys remember my new shoes that I bought? That I asked you guys? I don't have them here. What the heck? Hey, good morning, Mark. Rodrigo, people have to understand this is not easy. If it was, everyone would be doing it. It takes a dedication. Yeah, yeah. Oh, how long did it take me to be profitable? So when I first started, I did research for like 7 to 8 months. I mean, just nonstop research, not even put a single trade out there. Just watch videos, watch people live, like all of this stuff. And then open my account, mess with the account for a month or two, figure out how to buy, how to sell, and all that stuff. And then when I did start trading money, real money, I did it the right way. I didn't go in here expecting to make $5,000 the first week, $1,000 the first day. You know, I came in here, I made $10 the first day, and then $10 for a week, $10 for a month, you know, and then it scaled up. So I mean, I think I had a big loss somewhere in the beginning that might have wiped a month's worth of losses. But if you were to take that out, I was probably small red, break even, green trader in 2 to 3 months. But that's doing everything right, you know, and coming in here, studying, dedication, like every single day, watching charts, watching the market. I felt ready when I was with real money. So you have some winning events coming up, and just the full-time job. Been applying for jobs at crypto platforms, but no luck. Dang. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. You learn from your losses, no way around it. Yeah. All you guys are right. All you guys are right. Yeah, I have YouTube. I don't show how to trade or anything like that on YouTube. I just post my daily recaps. But but yeah, check out my YouTube. Subscribe. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Awesome. ATXI is still consolidating. I wonder if this thing puts in yet another leg. What moving averages are using? The 9 and the 20. Sorry, I think I'd answered that earlier. 9 and 20. Coots, did you get a little bit more profit on that last halt up? I forgot. You were in somewhere 970. I know it halted down. I mean, it resumed down, but it still popped up to 11. Were you able to get some profit on there? Yeah, out 1037. Nice. Good job, Coots. Good job. Is anybody watching anything else still for the rest for today right now in this opening? APRN is on my momentum scanner. VXX still holding down there for your puts. APRN making a nice little bounce off the lows there on the daily. But ILAG, I think John is short on ILAG. ATXI, obviously a monster of a stock today. EQ kind of never really did anything. You could see when you get those big rejections, when you get those big flushes like this one, the second you see a candle like that on a stock, it's like buyers are like, you know what, I'm out. I'm not trading the stock for this today. Look at the volume all day right here. Look at the volume, consistency, consistent, and then you get that flush, and then look at the volume disappear afterwards. Nobody's interested in that stock anymore. So why should you? You know, be on the lookout for stuff like that. Don't be trading the wrong stock, the wrong setup. ILAG. ILAG is gonna make a direction, pick a direction. At first, I thought I was trapping shorts, and then I thought I was trapping buyers, and now I don't know. It's not really picking a direction still. In which coming are you using to trading? What? You're also in beat? Yeah, beat tucking itself under the ADMA on the 5. Not that interested. Where was it? It was one of this pullback here was not bad, but would have been hard to catch that flush though. GTTI, look how many red candles GTTI has on the 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red candles in a row. It's a long time. That's over 30 minutes. STNE didn't move anything for Ducativo either. Holo may have some potential. Romsey calling out Holo. Holo broke, trying to hold $2. And oh my gosh, this thing has got to make a big bounce. Look at the daily from 30 something dollars down to $1.50, and we haven't gotten a nice bounce. Would have been nice to catch this one at super low, like $1, $1.50. I don't use coins. I don't trade coins. I trade stocks. Guys, if you're asking questions, you gotta make sure you type them right. I don't know what you're trying to say. Which TF you tried and which sets you normally trade? What are you saying, bro? Dang, at least I was good today, because if this would have been the movement yesterday with my headache, I was not in the zone. What's up, Jims? How are you doing today? Did you take any trades today? Did you take any trades today, Jims? How are you doing today? Green, red, did you destroy ATXI? Did you short SPY at the open and then buy calls afterwards? What is SPY doing? Still bouncing? Reclaim VWAP, bouncing off of VWAP. Tesla green, nice. I only traded one stock. Whatever happened to the other stock? INM? No, INM hasn't really done much. Can you show your trades on ATXI? Yeah. It was really mostly the first one. It was really mostly the first one. But I could tell you what I was looking for. So, actually, even from the beginning of today, let me show you the daily, because this was important. And that is why I kind of felt a little bit confident on ATXI from the beginning. Because if you look at the daily on ATXI, and let me draw it from up here so you guys can see it. So here's ATXI on the daily. Alright, so here's ATXI on the daily. You know, 200 moving average is very important on the daily chart, right? And now, you keep in mind the 200 moving average is going to sit differently on a daily than it's going to sit on the 1 minute. So always mark it on the daily there, 7708, and then you'll see that line on your 1 minute time frame. So that's how I do it. But anyways, the 200 moving average, usually when you start squeezing over the 200 moving average and you hold it, that's when you get the big moves. But this thing tried it once, failed. Tried it twice, failed, and then today gapped up again. And at that point, it was at like $6, looking for $6. And I was like, I think Zach was like, I'm looking for $6 on this thing. And I was like, you know what? I'm looking for 712. 712 is the 200 moving average. It's literally telling me now would be a good time to insert ads. Creators earn more money inserting ads. The more viewers are watching. Give it a try. No. So started opening. So from the beginning, I was like, I want $7, 712, and I might even have 712 marked because that's what I was looking for, or I had $7 marked. Anyway, so stock opens up, has this kind of opening range here, right there. So ticks it, whatever. $6 right above it. Breaks after 6, and here I'm looking at $6 or 584. I wanted this stock to pull back to here, like that, and then use this to go higher. Now, recently, I've been missing a lot of trades. Do I do this full time? Yes, I do. Time frame and session. This is a 1 minute time frame that you guys are seeing. And NASDAQ, well, I mean, depends on the stock I'm trading, but yeah. So here, I wanted that pullback down to 6. This candle here had low volume, and it was already having low volume through here, which means I didn't see a lot of sellers at 650. You see the push up and then that consolidation there, low volume, is dying. But I started my trade here. I'll show you my trades, but I'll explain it. So I started my trade there. I wanted this thing to pull back. This was only 1,500 shares. 1,500 shares is not a lot. That's the smallest I'll ever hit something unless it's a crazy volatile stock. I usually will take 2,500 shares, 5,000 shares. So I was looking for this thing to kind of still pull back on me, kind of have an initial red trade, and then add at $6 here. Even a small wick down to 584 to retest all of these wicks down here, and I was looking to add down there. Now, good thing I took a small add, because that's what was happening to me. I was not taking the initial add and waiting for this pullback here, and stocks were going without me sometimes. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take that add there, and if it pulls back, I'll just re-add lower, not stop out, and get the next leg up. Anyways, didn't get the next add, didn't get the next add, but that first one instantly, I mean, started popping up. I was like $200, $300, $350, you know. I think I took some out through here, and then I started descaling here at this halt maybe, and then I think I took some out there, which to me, you know, if you see the chart like this, you're like, holy crap, that's a heck of a move, right? Bought at 628 up to 770, maybe $1 a share probably on some of those trades. You're like, that's crazy, $1.30, $1.50 almost a share. And I was fully out, I think, the top of this candle, and then this thing still gapped up even more. Look at that, went from, can you guys even see that? You guys can't even see it on TikTok, sorry. I was trying to block the end. So right here, got fully out of there, and then still moved higher. But let me see my trades so you guys can see them. Yep. So snipe the lows of there. Well, it actually looks like I re-added on that micro pullback there, but it looks like I took them out a little bit higher. 67, got in 65, barely a penny profit. Took some out there, was fully out, left all this. And then the next one, I was looking for the break of 10. I got in on this pullback here. This one, I got the trade that I wanted to, but I didn't hold long enough. I was looking for this thing to really rip through 10, but you could see I got 943 and sold at 937, so I actually took a loss within down here. And then the last trade is where I made a little bit more, kind of dipped down. At this point, I realized 10.9 was a high of day from a previous days ago. So if you look back on the stock, there's this high here, which this was currently the highest this stock had put in 10.9, at least recently. And so at that point, I was looking for 10.9, and since 10.9 is 10 cents under 11, I'm looking for $11. And so I took an ad there, 10.66, kind of a breakout trade, small share size, 300 shares. Get the break of 10.9, get the break of 11, and start selling on the other side at 11.03, 10.9, 10.64. And then I was up like $695 on the day, and I took a small dip trade here just to get me over $700 on the day, to finish $700 on the day. So there you go. So that's how you make $700. That right there is how you make $700. SPY cracked? Let me look at it again. I had changed it to my other one. Who even asked for that? Oh, Mark. Wild Boy, what's up, Wild Boy? You wouldn't be surprised if SPY pushed up to 370. It just flushed under VWAP and retesting VWAP from the downside. How much is my course? It's $450, but I'll give you the $150 discount. So if you guys, anybody on TikTok, I kept forgetting, I guess, to say this. If you guys want the course, just type in $150 off, and you'll get $150 off on the course. So it'll be down to $300. And guys, I mean, I don't know that anybody on TikTok right now is there that has got the course, But everybody that has bought the course have said they've learned a lot and definitely worth the money. If not, I should be charging more, but oh well. Plus, I think everybody else does charges more for that. So you get what you pay for as far as content and videos and learning, and then you also have me for any questions you guys have. Kirian, I see you type in. What's up, Kirian? What you got, Kirian? You been trading any or no? Do I have a Discord? Yes, I have a Discord link in my bio. And you guys go check out the Discord too. I honestly, actually, here I have to give props. 705 easy money. Oh, you're looking at mine. I was asking for yours. Um, guys, if you want on TikTok people or YouTube people, look at this. I have to show you guys this because this is how no trades yet. This is how right here. This is my Discord. This is this morning. This is before I start. This is before I started live streaming. So before I start live streaming, people are hanging out on the Discord, chatting, setting up trades. And this morning, right here, Zach, nice 1 minute flag here on ATXI at 8:09. And if I look at ATXI at 8:09, that was somewhere through here. 1 minute flag, 1 minute flag, right here. And that trade, he took that trade there, and Lang took that trade there because he saw Zach alerted it, and they rode that trade from here, uh, all the way up. I mean, literally from there all the way up to somewhere up here. And then once I get off of streaming, if there's still any trades for the rest of the day, people will go back to the Discord, and I'll be on the Discord because I don't stream all day long. I saw some of your videos making $3,000. Yeah, market's been a little slow, so I haven't really stepped up on my share size, but yeah. Hashtag Lang, hashtag Zach. Kevin, what's up, Kevin? I am up. I'm up $700 today. APRN moving. I saw APRN earlier. Actually, look at APRN over here. Maybe a 1 minute flag here. Looking for the break of 544. Still holding beat. Dang, sniper trades. This APRN play right here looks perfect. Look at this flag. Super low volume. It's literally dying. But I want to see that buyer step in on this stock. I don't see any bids at all. And time and sales, I see a few buys, but you know what I thought about getting, guys? Does anybody know this? Nice. Anything per market? Pre-market? Uh, yeah, the good trade today for ATXI. Lang and Zach wrote it from pre-market. It was awesome. No, this is my own money. I don't trade anybody else's money. What am I trading? I traded ATXI this morning. Hey, what's your plane? What? What's my plane? What? Oh, what was I gonna say? I lag recovered. Gosh dang, I lag. No, what was I gonna say? Holy crap. Wait, what'd you have surgery for, Kevin? Oh, that's right. John was short on eyelash. Dang it. Nasal. Dang. Guys, Kevin said just got out of surgery, so I trade on drugs that I'm on. I feel like a cloud. No, Kevin. No way. You already trade risky enough for me. You already trade risky enough for me. APRN. This one looked good for the break of 544, new high in 550 after this consolidation here, but I didn't see any buyers at all. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, I don't trade any crypto or currency. I just trade the stock market. Honestly, I like it better. So, but if you're profitable and you make money in the crypto world or currencies, then props to you, man. Good job. Keep it up. Go make $1 million, man. Do it. If anybody's out there profitable, consistently making money in the markets, everybody in my chat, pat yourself in the back. It's hard to do this. It's hard to do this. Actually, missed big day today. Yeah, today there was one good stock, Kevin. ATXI was good. Actually, I'm gonna phrase that again. I don't know that making money in the market is hard in general. I think the first 6 months to a year, for the majority of people, right? I mean, you could be somebody that clicks in 3 months. You could be somebody that takes 2 years. You could be somebody that takes a month. Um, I don't think it's as hard as much as what Ape Trade said the other day. I think he said resilience, perseverance. It's something you got to come in here and do for 6 months. Just give it 6 months of your life. 6 months fake money. Do that. If after 6 months or a year you're losing money, then you know what? Step down, try a different strategy or something like that. But if you do this for 6 months, legit, study every day, watch the charts every day, you will learn a lot that everything will start getting easier. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right, Zach. I need a freaking overlay that says this is not Forex, this is not crypto. Don't ask me about Bitcoin. Yeah, yeah. So it was hard at the beginning, but didn't give up. Yeah, yeah. What got you started into trading? I'm trying to get into it, guys. A lot of people say you shouldn't look at trading to make the money. You should go into trading because you want, freedom. You want, have work from home. You want to work 3 hours a day. But I'm not lying. I'm not BSing you guys. Yeah, yeah. Add another overlay that says platform is Thinkorswim. PXMD. PXMD. No, no, no. There was another thing I was trying to say. Somebody's alerting PXMD though. Takes a lot of time to learn good practice. Frank Alfred, I was gonna say. Oh, what gets you into trading? It's a lot of people are like, you shouldn't say the money. You shouldn't say this. You should say because you want to be with your family. You want the freedom. You want 2-hour jobs. You want weekends off. You don't want to travel. You want to work from home. But let's cut to the chase. Everybody that day trades or is a profitable trader got into trading because the money. You want to make money. You want to make $500 a day. You want to make $1,000 a day. You want to make $100,000 a month. There's nobody gets into trading because, oh, that's a cool skill. I'm gonna lose money on purpose, but as long as I do the skill, I'm gonna be proud. I'm gonna be happy. No, you want to make the money. So honestly, it's hard because then that gives the mentality of new traders, or hey, I want to make so much money this week, and within a month I want to make $1,000. Within 3 months I want to be a millionaire. And that's not gonna happen. I mean, yeah, we all get into trading because of money, but that should not be your priority at first when you're learning. Learn the skill, learn how to trade, learn to be consistent, learn the setups, learn how to read time and sell, level two, candles. And after that, everything will get easier. Actually, I was talking to a trader, a profitable trader the other day, And him and I were talking, and he was like, "Oh, how much are you up for a year? How much are you up this week? How much are you up this month?" I think we were both having really bad Septembers. I mean, September, even though I had a $700 day, let me see. No, it's not. It's not the second worst month now. It's not one, two, three, four, five, six. It's still not even in the top 6 months of this year, as far as profits in September. And I'm doing okay in September. So far, it's been one of the slowest months. Um, but him and I were talking, and we were like, it's like September's a really month, but we're still green. And him and I were like, once you get this down, once you get consistency down, once you learn how to trade, and it's like instinct to you, it's all intuition. I was like, it just almost seems hard to go red on a month, It unless you take a giant loss, unless you take something ridiculously stupid or you blow up your account, it's almost pretty hard to go red on a month. At least that's what I've experienced and what he experienced. He was like, "Yeah, I actually had one red month this year, but I traded very poorly that month." But it's like once it clicks in, everything is so easy. Yeah, you can take losses as long as you're disciplined, as long as you're like, emotionally stable. That you guys see me. Some days I'm frustrated, I don't feel like trading. I just take one trade and I'm out. Some days I feel like trading, like today, and I found the setups. I play them there and I get money. That's it. Sniper Trades hasn't had a red month in a long time. I just want 50K a day. That's not asking, dude. If I made 50K a day, I literally would fund all of you guys a PDT rule account. If I was so rich, I feel like I would do that at some point. If I was freaking rich, where I could afford to throw out $30,000 out, I would every once in a while I'd be like, you know what, guys, y'all trade paper money. Whoever is more consistent and really gave effort, tried it, I would fund you guys a 25K trading account. But obviously, my rules would be like, you cannot take it out. You have to trade on it. But yeah, him and I was just saying that. I mean, once you figure it out, I mean, you'll have a red month, yeah, occasionally. You'll have a red week occasionally, but everything is so easy that at that point you know what to look for. You know what you're looking for, the trades and stuff. I haven't had a single red month this year, and honestly, for the first half of the year, all the way up until, oh, it's not by months, but all the way until week number 19 of this year, I hadn't had a red week. So at 19 weeks green in a row to start off the year. How much am I up right now? I'm up $700 on the day. Yeah, no problem. If you guys have any questions, let me know. That's the hardest part, being so picky in your trades because you only get 3 trades per week. Yeah. Screw that, just fun Gatsby type of parties. Dude, I would throw a party if I was a millionaire. I would invite every single one of you guys, like filthy millionaire. Like I'd fly all of you guys out there. That'd be awesome. Yeah, R-Dub, have you tried a cash account? Spy is dumping. Beat, looks like Sniper Trades is still hanging out around Beat. Hopefully this thing turns around for you. ATXI not quite dumping. ATXI is still holding that 885 from previous daily pivot. Volume alert. Somebody kept saying PXMD, but when I looked at it, it didn't have that volume. Let me look at it again. Is ATXI still in play? Honestly, if ATXI keeps consolidating throughout the rest of the day like that, it might have a little run power hour. But you are a millionaire now. Not enough to pay 100 people 30 grand. PXMD, little top intel there, unfortunately. So you're broke is what I'm hearing. Honestly, I'm kind of broke, guys. I spend my money like crazy. I make like $3,000 a day, but I spend $4,000 a day. Can I show my Thinkorswim setup? If you go over to YouTube or Tradecaster, you can actually see my whole setup. On TikTok, you can only see the part of the screen that I'm looking at. But if you go see my YouTube or Tradecaster stream, both of them are free. Um, you can see the full setup. I really wonder if ATXI is going to make another run later in the day, guys. I would not be surprised. With a stock like this, finally making a move today, good volume on the day. What are we sitting at? 36 million. And consolidating right here, especially where it's consolidating at. Look at what it's holding, 884. Why is 884 important? Look at the daily. 884 was the previous high. Ape is such an instigator. How did I change my quantity tabs for your orders? You go to the default on up top. Spy new low, yeah, that thing turned around. What card do I have? I drive a Forerunner. It's possible to trade on your phone, but I wouldn't recommend it. Who is asking for my Thinkorswim setup? Emperor of Satan. If you want to learn how to also, dang, I should have taken a little ad there at 885. I should have taken an ad there at 885 on ATXI. Frick, man. I've been saying 885 this whole time. Dang it. Dang it. That was a nice trade there. G Smart Fly Guy. Yeah, John, I get what you're saying. You have to go to setup here, and then you go to active trader, and then you go to like order defaults or something like that. So setup, application settings, go over to active trader, order defaults, and then you have to change these. You can't make them whatever you want, but you can change the increments on them. So you can put it by 500s, 100s, or whatever. No, I didn't take that trade. I missed it. I was looking at that dip of 885. But honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna take another trade. Yeah, John, it's ridiculous, man. Like if you were to see all the comments on my TikTok, like I could open a TikTok and scroll down, and probably 70% of the comments are the same question. What platform are you using? What broker do you use? When all they have to do is literally look at the comment above that or look at the comment below that, and they get their answer. And I kid you not, I get that asked like 15 times a day. It's ridiculous. And then finally, I made a TikTok video yesterday to answer that, and I'm still getting questions of like, hey, what platform do you make? Which I guess that's a little bit more normal. You know, they're not gonna automatically see it, but I don't think I'm gonna find another trade today. SPY is absolutely crashing. John, you're saying you don't watch my YouTube videos no more, bro? Dang. Just kidding. I don't care. PXMD might set up on the 5. Looking at, you can see that 284 or down lower to 280 to 79. Yeah, I know, John, I know. I've been trading almost 3 years. So yesterday I had a small green. I started September with 2 red months, but now I only have 4 red months all September. So that's pretty good. Guys, I think I'm probably going to be ending this stream here pretty soon. I think I'm mostly done trading. SPY is absolutely crashing. Just got my new weed whacker shipped. I'm going to head out for a little while and go assemble it. Nice. I mean, a SPY is... If you look at the 5-minute time frame on SPY, if you want to look for a short, if you get this crack here and then retest that downtrend, you might see another short. You might see this thing go back down to 362s. Wait, is 362 the low of the last previous low? Yeah, it is. Guys, I would not be surprised if SPY hits 362 today. I would not be surprised if SPY hits 362 today. So, possible short trades on SPY. Alright guys, locking in $700 on the day. I really appreciate all of you guys watching. Let's go Cardano. No coins, no Forex, no crypto, no Bitcoin. Yeah, everybody on TikTok. I know some of you guys are watching and some of you guys were interested on the course. If you have any more questions, just send me a DM and I'll be glad to help you out. Another thing is, if you just want to buy the course outright, use $150. You get $150 off of the course if you type in 150 off. So 150 off at the checkout page, and you get $150 off. Other than that, guys, I think I'm done for the day. $700 early on, kind of waited around, kind of missed a good trade here. I would have taken that one again if I saw it was a split second too late. But 885 daily pivot pulls down to 885. That's a nice entry there. Held. But that's about it. If you're still trading for the rest of the day, just wait maybe for ATXI, but it is still risky, so take smaller share size than usual. Look at that. It would have been from 885 to 970s, almost another dollar there. You made 120 off of PXMD. Awesome. Other than that, I don't really see anything else moving. If you want to trade the large caps, I would honestly be kind of curious to see if SPY drops down to that 362. Maybe not today, but it just is still pretty heavy. So any bounce up, it might still come back down. All right, guys, I have your course. Did you have more info about options? What do you mean? Like, am I gonna put options into my course? Because I am, but I haven't started recording any of those videos. I give myself a little bit of break. But Nairo, if you have any questions about options, send me a DM on that private Discord link that you're in, and I will answer or teach you in the meantime if you want. You know. I'm gonna wait for you to reply since you're in my course and you are my top priority. So just let me know if you have any questions or send me a DM and I'll help you out. Alright, awesome, Nairo, awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day here. You guys have a good rest of your day and I will see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hopefully you guys learned a lot. See ya.